This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AresLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Tuesday, August 25, 2026, and this is the New York session. Now, let's get into it. Unconfirmed reports of an Iran-US ceasefire and a reopening of the Strait of Hormuz are sending oil sliding $2 and triggering a sharp flight to safety. With the crypto fear and greed index at 14, marking extreme fear, the market is rotating heavily into defensive value. Let's get the numbers.
The S&P 500, tracked by SPY, closed at $763.47, down 0.2%. The Nasdaq 100, tracked by QQQ, took the heavier hit at $706.32, off 1%. The Dow Jones Diamonds was the only major index in positive territory, gaining 0.2% to $533.65. Small caps. The Russell 2000, tracked by IWM, fell 0.2% to $297.97.
Grid has the snapshot. Let's see how corporate results and filings are shaping up in this environment.
Earnings season continues to test resilience. Core Scientific reported fourth-quarter results that disappointed the street, leading to a lower stock price. In the software space, Zoom is facing a dual test on core growth and its strategic partnership with Anthropic.
Corporate results are in. Now to the macro backdrop driving this defensive shift. The macro data is signaling a cautious pause. The Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, is still running at 3.29% year-over-year, well above the 2% target. The latest Consumer Price Index came in at 3.3% year-over-year. Data is watching the calendar. Let's check the risk desk.
Risk is elevated on the headlines but calm on the volatility surface. The VIX closed at 15.13, down 0.8 points from the previous session, sitting in a 5-day range of 14.77 to 16.14.
Risk desk confirms the caution. Apex, what are we watching next?
3 things to watch this week. First, gold. Gold is the ultimate barometer here. With ceasefire rumors cooling the geopolitical risk premium and inflation data softening, gold is testing its safe haven bid. Watch for volatility ahead of Wednesday's PCE release.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the after-hours session where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.